Welcome back, welcome back. I am happy again, guys. If you're not happy, I am here. I feel like you just come into my heart and see how glad I am to actually be back here. Like whenever I come back here, I'm always so happy to actually come and do something new. Like it's always sweet. That's the word. It's very, very sweet. So I'm back again, and I know you guys tell me I look good. I know I look good. I know I look good. So today is going to be something different. I've been doing talk in almost all my videos, and I feel like it's taking too much time for me. It's too much time. I don't like long videos, and I actually don't like long videos. I don't like it. So I don't like producing long videos, long makeup tutorials, and it is just boring. That's because I tend to concentrate so much when I'm doing my makeup. I am this serious type when it comes to. I'm just not the type that will be talking when explaining it. It's quite difficult for me because I tend to lose concentration. So that's because, and sorry, that's why. That is why I'm going to be doing voiceovers for several of my looks, except that tutorial actually warrants me talking like this. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Without further ado, let's go right into our video. So we're kickstarting this makeup look by using my Kiss Beauty highlighter and contour palette, and I'm going to be using to clip under my brows.
What you want, I wanted to. But if you wanna go, I understand why. I could never be the number one guy. I don't even mind a number two. Tell me what you want, I wanted to.
And I'm just going to blend into my skin properly, so like to just give me that nice slit that I need for my eyeshadow base.
That trick bob, so everybody gets to see, yeah. And everything.
And here I'm using my benign clown white eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be using it to prime my lid or set my lid for my eyeshadow.
Still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me.
So I'm just blending the eyeshadow base into my lid very well, just to make sure that it gives a smooth canvas. It doesn't crack and it doesn't crease, whatever. Then I'm going to go into this my no name eyeshadow palette. It's no name because it doesn't have a name, and I'm going to be using that yellow shade over there to just. I'm going to be using that base color actually. Then from my eyeshadow palette, this is a romantic eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is dope, and I'm just going to be applying it there. It's a royal blue, as you can see. Actually, it's very pigmented. I don't know why it looks like this in camera. Camera can be shit sometimes.
Baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me.
Then from a 120 eyeshadow palette, I'm using that lemon shade, and I'm just going to use it to blend out the edges of the blue that's on my eye. I'm just going to blend it nicely.
Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me,
So after my old dancing, I'm going to go into this no name palette, and I'm going to be using that marine like kind of blue shade in it, and I'm just going to apply it exactly to my crease to actually intensify the color, because I love intensity when it comes to eyeshadows. Then into another palette of my into another no name palette that I have, I'm also using that same marine kind of blue there, and I'm still intensifying, guys. Intensity is what I'm driving at. Then I'm using this black pigment from my romantic eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to also use it to intensify the color of my lid. Then I'm cutting my crease. This is like hallo crease. I'm actually cutting my crease. You guys can see I'm cutting the crease, obviously. So I'm cutting my crease.
So run the amount, baby, I say run the amount. Let me know how you really feel. So run the amount. You know I got a special spot to help you remember me. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see.
So I'm going back again using this my highly pigmented romantic eyeshadows, and I'm using the lemon shade in it. I'm just tapping it into that my hollow crease part. Yeah.
Tonight you can't call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young.
So back into my no name palette, I'm still going to be using that maroon shade again, just to blend into my hallo crease.
So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me.
Then I'm going to be cleaning up my eyeliner area, and I'm going to be using my benign clown white to create eyeliner, and I'm going to apply the color to.
In my post, I don't even mind your number 2. Tell me what you want, I want it too. But if you wanna go, I understand why. I could never be the number 1 guy. I don't even mind a number 2. Tell me what you want, I want it too. You know I got a special spot.
I'm using my Avo pigments, which is in the color orange, and I'm going to be applying it to my that eyeliner area created.
Yeah, and every time we leave this spot, you know I get to see. Yeah, but tonight you can't call my phone. Tonight you can't call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young.
Yeah, guys, I'm cleaning up the lower part of my eyelash, my lower lash line, and with this I'm using my benign clown white. I'm actually using this so that my under eye shadows can stay very well, and I'm using my mini kabuki blush to just blend it in properly. As you can see, that's pretty much what I'm doing.
All the way with me, all the way.
Here I'm using my under eye eyeshadow, and I'm using black for my romantic eyeshadow palette, which is pigmented black, and I'm just applying it to my lower lash line, as you can see.
But still, baby.
So yeah, I'm using my benign clown white to create a kind of hallo cutcrease down my lower lash line, as you can see. Then I'm going to be using this pigmented pink for my romantic eyeshadow palette. It's pigmented, like I've been saying. All the colors that I used from this palette very pigmented. So I'm just going to apply the pink there, and I'm going to be using my wipes to clean up the excess primer or base of my face. For my 120 eyeshadow palette, I'm just using a metallic blue at my tear duct area. So I went to fix my other eye of the camera and my lashes, and now I'm using my Me Now face primer, and I'm just going to prime my face and rub it into my skin soothingly and lovingly. For my foundation, guys, I'm using my classic foundation in color 5, and I'm going to blend it into my skin using my beauty blender.
My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her man.
Yes, guys, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Sand, and I'm just going to use it to highlight my face, and I'm going to also be blending out with my blending in with my beauty blender.
You know I got a special spot to help you remember me, and every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see. Oh, she's bright like electric bulb, so everybody gets to see. Yeah. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see. Yeah.
For setting my face, guys, I'm going to be using my Fairy Gold setting powder. This setting powder is dope. It's really nice actually, and quite cheap, so it's really dope. And I'm just using it to set my whole damn face.
And the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way.
For contouring, I'm going to be making use of my classic face definer, and I'm going to be using the deeper shade in this palette. I'm making use of it to contour my whole face, the angles of my face that I really want to, what's the word now? You understand what I mean?
But if you wanna go, I understand why. I could never be the number 1 guy. I don't even mind a number 2. Tell me what you want, I want it too. You know I got a special spot to help.
My finishing powder is going to be the LA Pride finishing powder in ebony, which is exactly my skin shade. I love using exactly my skin shade because I don't want to be too bright or too dark, so I use exactly my skin shade, and I'm using my LA Pride to just dust off the old setting powder on my face, as you guys can see.
Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me.
Guys, as you can see, I'm already looking quite takeaway. So for my lips, I'm using my Davis pencil in brown and red. I don't know the name for this red, but I'm just going to, you can use any red pencil will do, and I'm using it to line my lips. Then I'm going to make use of this, my doesn't have a name, so I really can't remember the name. I'm also making use of this kind of wine lippies, and I'm applying it to my lips. Then I'm going to be using my concealer, which I used to highlight, and I'm going to be adding to the center of my lip to give this ombre illusion, and I'm just going to blend and blend.
With me tonight, just go all the way with me.
So also this highlighter, it's a cream kind of bronzer, or highlighter bronzer, let's go bronzer. It's a cream kind of bronzer, and I actually don't know the name because it's been very long I bought it, and I'm just going to use it to actually bronze up my whole face. God, look at that, just look at that. My God, I can really feel, man, the glow was just everything. So that's what I'm going to be using to just bronze up my whole face.
Nonsense on the beat.
So yeah guys, I'm glowing, I'm really glowing, and I'm going to be making use of my LA Pride nude powder palette, and I'm just going to use my fluffy powder brush to just brush up the whole face. And guys, just look at that. God, it's really beautiful. This is one of my eyeshadow craze. I mean, when I'm crazy with eyeshadows, with colors, this is one of those looks I created. So guys, just look at that.
So everybody gets to see, yeah. And every time we leave this spot, you know I get to see, yeah. But tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent.
To the end of the whole tutorial, and I am so happy again to say that it came out nice. It came out beautiful, as you guys can see. So if you happen to like this whole video, whole tutorial, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell button so you don't miss out on any fun thing I'll be posting up here. And also I want you guys to stay tuned because a lot of fun things, a lot of fun stuff will be coming up here on my channel, and I'm really serious about that, because anytime I come here I'm always happy. It's as if I'm in another world entirely. I don't know if you can relate, but that's how I usually feel shooting videos, and I'm happy to shoot this video. I was super excited when I wanted to shoot this video. Protection, and please guys, I want to beg, I'm on my 2 knees. It's just that you cannot see the knees, but I'm on my 2 knees right now. Please when you watch my video, please encourage me. Okay, not only me per se, you know, when most YouTubers post video, most of us find it very difficult to just click that like button, but it's like encouragement. When your video has likes and comments, please, words of encouragement, because it's not easy to shoot YouTube videos at all. It's not easy one bit. When I started, I know what I went through. Even right now, shooting this video is not easy at all. Let's not talk of the editing. If you can relate, you know what I'm saying. So please, when you watch our videos, please put the comments. And so many people are fond of sending me personal messages, like those people that know me, they will, instead of writing it here, please, I'm begging now, please write it here. You can send it to me, but please write it here too. Write it on this platform. It's like encouragement, and then it lets other people know what they're getting into. Because a lot of people that use YouTube, most of them read comments first before watching the video. So please, guys, please do me that favor. I will really much appreciate. And also, don't forget to check me out on my Instagram page at queen_eves. Please head over to Instagram and check me out on queen_eves. And that's everything for this video. I hope you guys like this look, and I hope this tutorial was not boring, because I am avoiding that, and I'm avoiding long videos. So I hope you guys have a lovely, I don't know when I'm going to post this video. I hope you guys have a lovely day, a lovely weekend, a lovely week, whenever it falls to. I hope you guys have a lovely day. So see you guys in my next video, and my next video is not going to be a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a get to know me tag. So you guys should anticipate. See you guys in my next video.